Um, as a major in a medical laboratory science and someone who is working in a hospital setting, I understand that it's very important to know how to operate in real clinic and environments, and also develop the abilities needed in the healthcare career. In my case, I choose to work in the medical field because I want to be a part of a patient care and the laboratory diagnostic. Even though many graduates program focus on memorization and scientific knowledge, I believe this is not enough. The knowledge you learn in school and the knowledge you learn on the job are two different things. In school, you focus more in theory and books, but in hospital and setting and you need to apply knowledge quickly and correctly. Even though it is good to know background information, it is important to know what the actual do in a real situation. I was always taught that preparation is the key, and this is very true in healthcare. Educators should explore better ways of teaching students so they can understand real medical situations and not only memorization information. Case based learning may help students improve their understanding and prepare better for real clinical work. Medical laboratory students like me can be helped in their academic situations and clinical situations through new teaching method. Researchers are shown the student will benefit more from the experience in education and case-based learning that help them to develop medical and clinical skills. ALPAG discovered and developed research on medical laboratory science student that showed on a medical clinic experience, and the educators gave them to the student to help them perform the better medical situation and help them to prepare for their medical career. Instead of just learning from the book, the student in experiments were showing that learning from experience helped them in their medical and clinical abilities better. In Chen, experiment showed that the student that participated in more blended leading did better in all their skills in general comparison to the student not just learned in the traditional lectures. Also, Shen, who discovered the student who learned in different ways in the modified team based learning showed better participation and improved more academically by learning in different ways than just the traditional lectures and such. They perform better in most experience, which help them shape their abilities to perform better in the medical field. Another experiment studies that shows the importance of different ways of learning was Rogers, who researched different learning ways after the pandemic hit. Because after online learning and curriculum changing, he understands still that the hands-on learning experience usually most helping factors in the student's learning. Webb also discovered the simulation in the medical laboratory science field used the realistic situation to help the students and better their abilities. Case-based learning was also important in many ways to help the students make better of their medical career success. Behan made sure that the educations given to these medical students were to be made better and helped through things like case-based learning and hands-on experience. And Lee, case like based learning discovered outcome-based assignments to his students made their performance even better to help them in the medical field and their career. The researchers showed that the student can learn even more better when they have the opportunity to show what they can do. Meg researched about how having the opportunity to use AI in healthcare technology can also help. This opportunity can help the students in many ways by benefiting their skills and also using more their reasoning skills. While the Reha will really introduce the case-based learning to educators, how the improvement in student reflection even by the teachers. and also the student apply what they know, like their opportunities, in real life situation. Help them to do not rely on the memorization, but even still many researchers will understand the active learning is better than the traditional lecture because of how it can help students not just by memory but also exercise what they know and how they can use it. When they have opportunity to do something, they can put their abilities to the test, and it most showed positive result according to the students and their educators. The purpose of this proposal is to find out if the student can be made better and have case-based learning. Medical laboratory science students that showed their participation in case-based learning are developing better ways and improving their skills by better opportunity in active learning instead of just traditional lectures. To understand if the case-based learning can help medical laboratory science students better than the traditional lectures, this experiment will use quantitative research designed to find out the result in more measurable way. The purpose of using the quantitative research is to prepare both teaching method using numbers and test scores instead of opinions only. In these studies, the independent variable will be the teaching method that the students are learning from. This means whether they are learning through the traditional lectures based and instructions or through case-based learning activities. The dependent variables will mainly be the students' clinical reasoning skills and their academic performance. These outcomes will show if the teaching method helps students perform better than the other. The total of medical laboratory science is 60 students will be selected for this experiment. These students will then randomly separated into two equal groups with 30 students in each group. Random release selection is important because it helps make them studies fair and reduces bias in the results. Before the experiment begins, all the students will take a pretest. This pretest is used to measure their current knowledge, skills, and understands of what subject before the teaching method is applied. This step is important because it gives starting point for the comparison after the studies is finished. Over the next several weeks of the semester, each group will receive different types of instruction. One group will learn through traditional lecture-based teaching, and whereas the instruction mainly gives information, and then the students takes notes and studies from lectures and slides. And the other group will learn through case-based learning, which includes the real-life case studies, group discussions, and active learning activities, where the student must apply their knowledge to clinical situation. Even though both groups will learn same course, materials covered and same topics, the way they are learned will be different. This is important because it allows the student to compare how teaching styles affects learning outcomes. At the end of the semester, all the students will take a post-test to measure how much they improved from the beginning of the studies. In addition to the post-test, students will also complete survey about their learning experiment. This survey will ask questions about engagement, understanding, confidence, and how well they felt they learned the materials. After the collecting of the data from both groups, the researcher will compare the result using statistically and analysis. This analysis will help determine which group performed better based test scores and surveys responses. Overall, these studies will help understand if the students learn better when they given the opportunity to apply what they know in life, in situation, instead of only learning through lectures and memorization. It will allow you show if case-based learning can improve for understanding and perform in medical laboratory science education. Based on the research and I was look at the purpose of my studies is to figure it out and find out whether case-based learning will improve medical laboratory medical science students and their skills in clinical and academically settings instead of learning to the lectures and exam as a traditional way. In my hypothesis, I think the students who will participate in case-based learn are to perform better skills in their studies through familiarities and function better than students who would learn through regular traditional lectures. This is because when the students are to be familiar with their surroundings, they become more confident in these areas and they start to understand more easier and more fluently. In my way, this is learning in a new language to be able to understand more better through familiarity and what they to be surrounded. The estimated budget of the studies will be around $1,000. Most of the money will be used to help with researcher and collecting information from the students during the studies. Some of the money will also make sure the research can be finished without any problems. Since the study is taking place in school setting, there will be no real need more for expensive equipment or big purchases because most of the things are already there. The budget is not very big, but it also should be enough for this kind of research. It will be help researcher complete and study and understand better if the case-based learning can help medical laboratory science students learn more than traditional lectures. The result of these studies can be also maybe helpful for the educator to decide if the different teaching methods should be used more in the future. Even if the small budget, can the study has the potential to produce valuable information that can improve the education of the medical laboratory science now and even in the future. This grant proposal will show how case-based learn in the classroom and active learning can help medical laboratory students in many different ways if they are given the opportunity. This research is important because healthcare is something that will always be here and always be demanding. It will become more complex every year and it will not helpful for medical laboratory science students to be learning in different ways when they can do it in even faster way to learn what they need to. Medical laboratory science students are responsible for performing laboratory tests that physicians will use to diagnose and treat patients that they need these tests. Because of these responsibilities, students need more than memorization and textbook learning. These students need opportunity to practice these skills. They need to do many things. For example, to make more important decisions, get for the laboratory's result, to solve the problems that will show up. Instead of only using normal traditional lecture, using case-based learning can help the educators understand and more what the student need, what they are in real life in a medical situation. The student can use what they already learned and not only remember information from books and lectures. They can think more about the problems and try to find the right answer like many do in a hospital someday. In this case, based learning will allow students to experience the situation that can be resemble the real clinical practices, also known as active learning. If this research shows better result, it can be so much more helpful to those who are studying in a medical laboratory science program. This way of learning may also help the student build more confidence in their knowledge and improve their clinical reasoning skills little by little. In the future, they may feel more prepared when they begin working in the medical field because they already practice and using their knowledge in the situation that are more in real life. This study hopes that it gives students more chances to practice and apply what they know can help them learn better, not only listening and the lectures and memorization. And I hope these studies will help more students or in a medical laboratory science will help more in the future. Thank you.